Hi, everybody. My name is Rachel Bishop, and today I will be presenting my presentation on blockchains in India. So, what are blockchains? A blockchain is, in the simplest of terms, a time-stamped series of immutable records of data that is managed by a cluster of computers not owned by any single entity. Each of these blocks of data is secured and bound to each other using cryptographic principles. Who is using blockchains? So, in general, banks to make faster and safer money transfers like JP Morgan or Citibank. Supply chain companies use it to track goods and prevent fraud, like Walmart. Healthcare uses it to store patient records safely. Real estate uses it to record property ownership and sales. Voting systems use it to make elections more secure. Government agencies for digital ID and record keeping. And India uses it, like the State Bank of India. They use it as well for secure transactions. The Yes Bank for trade, finance, and smart contracts. Another bank for international money transfers, and for TCS, they use it for business software and supply chains. So, why are they using blockchains? In general, they use blockchains to make transactions faster and cheaper without middlemen, to keep data safe using encryption, to make records clear and easy to track with no hidden changes, to reduce fraud in payments and contracts, to build trust between people or companies that don't know each other, and to store data permanently so it can't be deleted or faked. In India, they use blockchains to make banking more secure and faster, to track goods from farms to stores used by supply chains and T-board, to reduce paperwork in trade and real estate, and to improve transparency in government records and land titles. Where are they using blockchains? In general, banks and finance for payments, loans, and international transfers. Supply chains to track products from factory to customer, healthcare for storing patient records safely, government for ID cards, voting, and land records, real estate to record property sales and ownership, and education to verify degrees and certificates. And in India, the banking sector like SBI or ICIC or IC yes, ICICI and Yes Bank use blockchain for secure transfers. Supply chain and agriculture, like the T-board and farm tracking systems, government projects for land and health data, education, universities use blockchains for certificates, and healthcare for hospitals testing secure patient data systems. When are they using blockchains? In general, companies need secure and transparent transactions. They need a record data that can't be changed. Uh, when many parties like banks, suppliers, or customers must share the same info, and when fast payments or cross border transfers are needed. And for India, they use blockchains when banks process trades, deals, or money or send money overseas, or when farmers and exporters track products like tier food, when governments update land or ID records, when startups build apps for finance, crypto, or digital identity, and when universities issue secure digital certificates. Excuse me. And how can blockchains help solve local SDG issues in India? Um, they can achieve the SDGs by making systems more transparent, fair, and efficient. It can ensure it can ensure that aid reaches the poor. Farmers get fair prices. Health data stays safe, and education certificates are real. And it can also help track clean water projects, support small businesses, and reduce pollution, which will create a better and sustainable future for everyone there. And for my two truths and a lie, the first one is blockchain can help farmers get fair prices by tracking where their crops go. The second one is blockchain makes it easier for fake medicines to enter the market. And my third one is blockchain can record carbon emissions to help climate change. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation on blockchains in India. Thank you so much for watching.